Hello. So today we are going to talk about modern learner. ये वर्ड आपने बहुत बार सुना होगा, मॉडर्न लर्नर, मॉडर्न लर्निंग, ड्यूरिंग योर डिस्कशन विद अ बिजनेस और ड्यूरिंग योर ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स के मॉडर्न लर्निंग बनानी है, मॉडर्न लर्नर को टारगेट करना है। आज देखते हैं कि मॉडर्न लर्नर वाकई में है या नहीं है। दैट इज मॉडर्न लर्नर रियली एग्जिस्ट और नॉट। So one thing is very clear that when we talk about modern learner, we create a picture in our mind that someone who uses technology very efficiently, he is a modern learner. May be correct to some extent, but let's see that whether we are completely right in our understanding or not. देखिए एक चीज़ है, technology has changed the world, right? Technology has bring the world more closer. The world is more connected nowadays just because of technology. 10 साल पहले अगर आपने बोला होता कि मेरा फेसबुक अकाउंट है तो लोग आपसे 10 सवाल पूछते, बट नाउ अगर इफ़ यू से दैट आई एम हैविंग अ फेसबुक अकाउंट, नोबडी विल आस्क अ क्वेश्चन, इट्स जस्ट अ नॉर्मल थिंग. So technology is a vital, it's becoming a vital thing in our lives. It's becoming very important, and of course technology is becoming a driver for most of the things. Now what is happening apart from the technological advances, the millennials, which is also known as Generation Y, they are now the largest population in the workforce, and they're demanding for the better training and leadership practices. Most millennials, they believe that they are not getting the development they need. Furthermore, क्या हुआ कि एक एम्प्लॉय सर्वे किया सीबी गार्टनर ने in 2016, which indicate it's not only millennials who prefer modern methods of professional development, but baby boomers and Generation X, they responded at similar levels as millennials regarding their desire to learn from peers and a desire to access information just in time. What does that indicate? So this indicates that, to me, that majority of the workforce, they have self-identified themselves as a modern learner. But the question is remains same, that whether we are able to address their need or not. But before we answer that question, first we need to understand the characteristics of a modern learner. We need to understand that from where this word modern learner has come from. That we will cover in our next section. Keep watching.